Tryna buy some fun shit. All of my girls came, still ain't even done shit. Looking so amazing, just to get attention, so we can find a nigga who is someone with a mention. It said there's plenty fishes in the sea, but everything I got so far was not the one for me, no. Not like I need it, I'm loving living free. But when I saw you synthesize my heart, I skipped the beat, you got the swag. Baby, can I meet you at the car? Left you with the nice valet, yeah, back. We can drive away and go so far. If this is something that you're tryna fuck with, tell me if you're down now, you know I'll be coming. If this is something that you're tryna fuck with, tell me if you're down, I'm down now. Can't believe I'm willing to neglect what I know and disregard how I'm feeling, and let myself unravel, twisting up into the ceiling. Surrender to the railing and the healing like I'm kneeling. And so I'm certain that's the only way to go. It's time for me to set free all my secrets, let them show. And let me take you home and show them to you nice and slow. Baby, I just want you to know that I just broke up with my man. Tryna fuck with